Hey guys, to my environmental science students, happy Sunday morning. As you can see, I just got out of bed, so my hair is a little bit off, and I'm growing a little beard here in this global pandemic. Looking forward to getting back out there, and hopefully things can open up in May, is what I'm hoping. But at the time being, hopefully you're doing good. I miss you all. But we are continuing our work and continue our studies, so make sure you guys are taking care of business like you've been doing in these odd times, and you guys have been doing a great job, so keep it going. We got a big week here. No school on Tuesday, so I would not be available for check-ins Tuesday, but I'll be available Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We got a quiz this week, guys. The quiz is open note. It will be 3 to 4 questions. It will be on Canvas under quizzes. So I want to do a little review with you, and then we have an article for you to read and turn in. So two things this week: article to read and turn in, and then the quiz. Okay. So let's get into it. Let's talk about a little bit of a review here so that you can understand what is going on. First off, we got our population studies, and we look at a graph. If a population is steadily going up like that, it's linear. And remember, you can use your notes for the quiz. All right, that would be a good idea. If it goes up really fast and there's no limiting factors for it, we call that exponential growth or the J curve because it looks like a J. Then, if you have growth that goes up quickly and then starts to plateau, like so, we call that logistic growth because this is logical of usually what happens. Logistic curve. And it is also known as the S curve. Notice the letter looks like an S. And this up here where it plateaus, we call that its carrying capacity. That means the environment can no longer support more of that, and the limiting factors have kicked in. What are limiting factors? These are things that keep a population from growing uncontrollably. One of our limiting factors for this virus is social distancing, okay? Space, in other words. So space could be one, disease, food, and water. These are all limiting factors, okay? Also, what do we need to know? We got our population studies. If we want to count a population, let's say we have a 100 square foot area, and it is hard to count all the dandelions in that area. But if I just look at a 5 square foot area, and I know that there are 20 dandelions in there, okay? So for every 5 foot square area, there's 20 dandelions. I can figure out an estimation of this population. So what I can do is I can go 5 divided by 20 dandelions. Keep your units because you always want to make sure your units are the top over there. It's over 100 square feet. Notice my units are on the same area. Cross multiply to solve for x. 5x equals 20 times 100 is 2,000. 5 divide 5. X equals, which would be 2,000 divided by 5. You're allowed to use a calculator. 2,000 divided by 5. There are approximately 400 dandelions in this phase here, okay? In this 100 square foot area. And that helps because we don't have to count them all. It's just an estimation. And if things move, it's not always a great count. Plants. So know these. Know your curves. Know your limiting factors. I will share these notes out and I'll be available for questions if you have them. So get on Canvas and do that quiz and have a great week, guys. I'll be available if you need it. Take care. Bye.